Good morning, students. Welcome back to my English class. And today I am going to take you for class 12th. And the book that I selected today is for Vistas. All of you know Vistas is a collection of short stories. Yes, my students. We are going to, before we start this lesson, I want to ask you one question. Yes. What you do when you get bored from your study? Yes? Yeah, very good. You try to take some rest, either to visit some historical place or to visit some hill station or have some tournament with your friends. Yes, all these ways are just to provide us rest from our hectic schedule, from the busyness of our life. Friends, today's lesson is also based upon such theme. Title of my lesson is The Third Level, and story have a background of New York. You know how busy this town is, and world famous for its professionals. Yes, today we are going to discuss about such a professional whose name was Charlie. And Charlie had get bored from his life. Every day walking, getting ready, going to office, working the whole day, then returning back. All these things make him sick. He don't like this way of life. He say, what is the need of this type of life if we are not safe? Every time we are having a fear from something. Oh no. Sometime at office, and when we are at office, we are also facing some fear regarding the security of our family also. What to do? Though he also have a pastime to collect stamps, and it also provide him a chance to carry on the legacy of his grandfather who started this passion. By taking the example of President Roosevelt, his grandfather had started to collect the tickets. Though when he started this fun, at that time he has a lot of time. That's why he used to collect a number of stamps. And he has also made a proper filing of it. Charlie was also carrying this, and he was adding the things, he was adding stamps to this, but this pastime is also not giving him so much rest from the work as he wants. So it happens one day when he was returning from his work. He reached at the Grand Central Railway Station, and all of you know this station has two levels. From first level you can get trains for nationals. Those places which are very far away, you can go from there. And from the second level, you can have train, buses, auto rickshaws, everything for local places. Along with these, there are some underground passes on which, through which you can go on foot also. And always it happens with Charlie that he got the new way. Sometime he reached in some hotel, and sometime he reached in another valley. But today he was just returning to his home. He don't need to have any adventure of this time. And like other days, today he was also on foot, and he took a way, possibly according to him, that goes to the second level. It was an wooden arched way and quite new for him. Because it always happens with him that whenever he got some new way, he don't meet people in the way, but after walking some time he was able to get out of it and he reached his destination. So that's why without any hesitation he adopted that way and he started to walk on that way. And he was walking there, but to his great surprise, he don't reach at the second level. Where he come out, it was also a railway station. But to his great surprise, the things were different from here. There he saw a ticket window, but very old fashioned. Wooden furniture was also there. He was surprised to see, hey, what? Brass spittoons were there? And there were lights of gas cylinders only. Very dim lights. He was surprised. He asked where he was. And possibly answer to him was, perhaps he was on the third level. And in his mind there was, this is third level. Then he asked, is there any train for Galesburg? And you know what was the Galesburg? Student, Galesburg is the place where his grandfather used to live. He heard a lot about Galesburg from his grandfather, that there are big buildings, but people have a lot of time. People enjoy their life. They need not to work so hard that much that they are doing in New York. So all these things tempted him. All these things made him, why not I go to Galesburg from here if I am getting the train? So he goes to the ticket window and asked for the ticket. But when he was giving pound to that person was quite angry with him and asked him, hey, you are giving me wrong currency? Should I call the police? Then he saw that here the currency was also of his grandfather's time. So he thought, okay, if not today, I will go some other day and I will ask my wife also to go with me. And he returned from there. Now he comes home and only one concern in his mind was that how to go to Galesburg from the third level. He go to bank, take out all his savings and change this to old currency. His wife got worried. Hey, what to do? He said, no, now we are going to Galesburg. There we will live happily there. Though his wife tried to make him understand, no, there is no third level. There are only two levels at New York Central. He said, no, I have seen myself. There is third level. So his wife contacted Sam, a psychiatrist. Both of them tried to make him understand, but he was not able to understand. And daily he was trying to find out that third level at Central Station, but he was not able. Then his friend wrote a letter and put it into his stamp collection envelope. And surprisingly, when he opened the letter, he read it. In letter, Sam has written that, yes, I also find the third level. And I am living there in Galesburg. And why don't you come here? But you know, Charlie has tried many times, but he was not able to understand. Now he himself had understand, yes, there is no third level at all. And the problem is solved. Because all these wants, even Sam, the psychiatrist, and his wife, when they were trying to make him understand, he was not able. But now, it is clear to him, yes, there is no third level. Now he understood that this third level is only my imagination. That was making me, that is deceiving me. Actually, students, there was no third level there. All these things, what he was, look at that railway station. Actually, he has not been there. It was just his imagination when he was returning back to his home. The passage was long and he was imagining that yes, I went to such place, there such things are, because he had heard about these things from his grandfather. And he had heard from his grandfather that in Galesburg I have plenty of time. I have no work there and I used to enjoy my life. And I hope now you can understand that this third level was only an escape from the sufferings, from the fear, from the insecurity of present life. Because in present life, every man feels himself insecure. They have to work hard. They have to work continuously. They have no end of this work. That's why after working for a long time, they feel that is this only life? We have no end of such life. Why we are doing such things? Why don't we have time or some break from it? Because they get bored from their settled and well planned projected aims. So, third level is applied of professionals who feel to have some time for themselves also, but unfortunately, because of pre-assigned works, they are not able to have relax. And if they want relax, all the worries related to the future of their life made them to again work hard and hard. And this working never ends. And when it don't end, then they try to find out a place. Then they try out such a things that provide relief for some time. This is the reality of this materially persuading world, where everything is out of reach. We are getting money. We are getting a lot of luxurious things, but we are not getting peace of mind. And this is not a problem of only Charlie. It is problem of every individual who is surviving this in this world. We have to work hard for a long time, but we don't have a time for relax. If we are working at our workplace, then we have to work hard for new projects, for getting more things and making our company, our institutions more effective. And when we are coming home, we are having new assignments and new worries and new securities about our family life. And that's why we people are not getting even proper time to cope up with this hectic schedule. And that's why always create a third level by our own. So I hope all of my students have understood this, that third level is an escape of Charlie from the hectic schedule of the life or insecurities, worries of the life. This is the third level, and from which he was trying to escape. It was his friend and his wife who made him understand that there is no third level, Only two levels are there. This third level is just an escape. It is just an imagination of him. That's all. Thank you very much. If you have any query, please don't forget to write to me so that I can clarify it. Thank you very much.